What is up, guys? I am back on this 24-foot Grady white. Pretty much all set, washed up. Got some gelcoat repairs on this. They're all set. And the nose and that kind of thing. And we had, it's all wet still, but this entire thing was pretty trashed, actually. Put a nice non-skid deck everywhere. Looking pretty fancy over here on this probably a 90s Grady white, if I had to guess. Not much left to do to make this actually pretty perfect. The bumpers over here that need to be installed. I think they're doing that. Some new seats. If you haven't yet, go subscribe. Appreciate you watching. This is a finished video, so you won't get notifications for this, but you will get notifications for other jobs as they move along. We've got this whaler that's going to come inside once this moves out. Nice little whaler, tiny little 11-foot whaler that's got a nice big crush in it from a dinghy or from a from something. He hit something. A little chip here too, I guess. So I'm gonna be fixing that next. So, and also this here got some little bit of crush. So go ahead, subscribe, and you'll get notifications for this. There's some other things too. Got boats, man. Got boats hanging out all the time. So there you go. It's 24-foot Grady white, all decked out. Oh, there's a hatch here. See, this is a job I'm gonna do because we missed this. So to actually get a video of this, piece of crap right there. It's completely busted. You can see there's some steel pieces on there. Someone bolted to it to try to support it, but that didn't and was not going to work. So I'm going to fix it for these guys, hand it to them at the end of the week. Anyways, thanks again for watching. 3, 2, 1.